In this exercise, we will learn the gradient option. This is the best option to apply color effects on an image. Let's see how this option will work. If we go to the adjustment layer and click on gradient here, we can see a list of gradients. We can apply any of these gradients. And if I click on gradient color, we can edit the gradient color that we want. We can also add color within a gradient. We have already learned gradient in previous exercises, but here are some more details. Okay, we can delete any gradient color from here. Now click OK. And now we can see styles. We have linear, radial, angle, and reflected diamond. We can change the angle of color as well. Just click on it and drag it, or we can put the angle number here. Now press OK. And here we can change the blending options, something like this. If you would like to edit this gradient again, then double-click on the adjustment layer and we can edit it. We can also adjust opacity from here. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn brightness and contrast options.